And so, again, as I mentioned earlier, given existing stretcher technology, given existing stretcher technology that has the collapsible wheels, they can be easily put into the back of this module, and they can also be locked into place by installing brackets on the floor of the module or directly onto the truck bed that keep the stretcher in place while it's moving, or while the truck is moving.
Yeah, so space restraint. Because we're using like basically scrap metal, we can build it as big as we want. We can probably even scan it after we've done same texture. So for example, using scrap metal to build a ribcage like structure that's going to be covered by tarp instead of type 2. And this allows for it to be pretty much modular. We make it as big as we want, as small as we want, as many things as we want, because we're also going to be using it to attach ways to store our medical items. And also, it will allow the paramedic to work with the patient easier if we can like customize it to his needs.
Okay. Now, as for communications equipment, the simplest solution would be to reuse existing technology. So, for example, citizens van radios, or CB radios as they're commonly known, those are similar but not on the same frequency as police radios, and these are actually more similar to the radios that truckers use to communicate with each other on the highway. And so this is a simple and effective solution for short to medium to maybe even long range communication while you're on the road. However, I suggest that if the cost is right, I also suggest using LoRa, which is short for long range radio. It's a somewhat newer technology that's used for peer-to-peer communication over long distances, maybe about the same distance as a regular walkie-talkie. But the advantage of this is that you can use a router that coordinates communication between all LoRa nodes, or each LoRa node can act as a relay for other nodes in the network, and you create some sort of a mesh network as well. So basically, instead of all of the radios communicating with one central station, these radios can communicate with other LoRa radios, such as other trucks that might have this capability, and that can bounce that message to its destination as needed, therefore extending its range. So imagine like a